I want to know why you're not eating burgers and fries every single day. Whoever said you can't eat burgers and fries to lose weight and build muscle lied to you. Let me show you. The first thing you want to do is grab a serving size of your beef. I use 96% lean and 4% fat, which is labeled in purple. Add your favorite seasoning to the patty and mix it in with your hand to ensure that the flavor is spread throughout every bite. For this video, I use steakhouse seasoning, but you can use any condiment you like. Turn on the stove to medium-high and cook the patty for 4 minutes on each side. While that cooks, we can shift our attention to something more fun, the buns. You can use keto culture hamburger buns if you're cutting, or you can use Sola hamburger buns if you're trying to build a lot of muscle. Butter it up with a thin layer of can't believe it's not butter and toast it in your air fryer or oven for 5 minutes to give it a nice crisp. Don't forget to flip your patty, and when you do, you can add fat-free cheddar cheese and 1 slice of regular cheese to melt on top of it. While that cooks and your buns are toasting, slice up all the vegetables you would like on your burger. I used onions, tomatoes, pickles, and lettuce. I fried my onions to give them a nicer flavor. As for the sauce, mix a tablespoon of ketchup and light mayo in order to make your burger 10 times better. Now it's time for the fun part. Remove the patty from the stovetop and bring out your buns to the table. So here we have it, the burger of our dreams and goals. The first thing you do is just spread the sauce all over your burger so you get to enjoy the sauce with every bite. Then you place your patty here. You squish this together and you have yourself a delicious burger for only 340 calories and 38 grams of protein. But what's a burger without some fries? Cut a serving size of potatoes into fry shapes. Let me remind you, potatoes are vegetables. The only reason fries are unhealthy are because they absorb hundreds of calories from the oils they're cooked in. With this method I'm showing you, you enjoy the full health benefits of potatoes. Spread 40 grams of fat-free cheddar cheese on top. I sprinkled a bit of regular cheese for a visual appeal. Add a tablespoon or 2 of real bacon bits with 40% less fat and bake it in the air fryer or oven for 15 minutes. And that's it! Only 30 minutes passed and you got yourself a meal with only 520 calories and 57 grams of protein. This is amazing for all kinds of people. If you're trying to lose weight, amazing. Trying to gain muscle, amazing. Trying to change the shape of your body, amazing. This meal is so filling and you just made an investment to your health and happiness. Eating like this in the long term is more sustainable than forcing yourself to eat salad for weeks on end and then binging right after. No one's happy if they're eating salads all the time. You could eat burgers, fries, pizza, anything you want and you can think of. I can make it for you in a healthy version. If you have any questions on what I should film next, comment it down below and I'll make a recipe on whatever you can think of. I don't think anyone should struggle in their journey of whether it's losing weight or building muscle. It should be simple, it should be sustainable. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found some value in this and that you're able to see the bigger picture that you can eat so many things that you want to eat and still be healthy and still be fit and still look as amazing as you want to look and feel good inside. So if you like this video, leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.
Hello, can I help you?
Hi, can I get a Big Mac?